Okay, so we've completed our basic training. Now for the last assignment for the verify module. We're going to create a new project. As we hit create, we're presented with the library of documents that we can use. To create a document, we could simply click once and it would create us a new tab and load it with SmartFields, so we're not having to complete that across all of our document set. In the scoping, we're going to go to the library and simply say we want to find a retaining wall and add that to our project, and then we're going to add that requirement for the milestone of estimating. So we're going to look for using this as a cost estimate. For the cost estimate, we're actually going to require detailed elements in their proposed location, and we're going to apply 3 properties. Let's create 3 properties. The name of those properties are going to be the width, the length, and the area. Really simple, 3 properties, not even requiring a group or any rule. It can be any value, not even having any units or anything defined. We're going to assign all these 3 requirements to our retaining wall. Instead of them being retaining walls, we're just going to call these exterior walls. Now we're going to go to the verify module. In the verify module in the free plan, we get presented with some demo models, and this demo model here has some exterior walls that are labeled as such, so you can see whether they are exterior. They've got a 1, and actually the type name on these walls says exterior walls. So what we can do is use a model rule in this top level. We don't even have to do anything. You can see that because we renamed it exterior walls, and there is a model rule already saying that the name of the task is exterior walls, and the identity data type name, if it matches this, link it up. Now we've got 12 walls that are linked up, and we can identify whether those 12 walls are representing the right information that we've asked for. Only 67% of the walls are correct, or the information is correct, and they're all labeled red because every single one of them does not have a length value. It actually shows that we've set these properties up incorrectly. My spelling was atrocious. So we can go back to our setup for information requirements and correct that, so that we do have length spelled correct. And now when we go back to our verify module, it will reevaluate. It says it 100%, and we can click on the image and identify that all of those elements are correct. Once we have said that they are correct, we're going to say that this is now a complete task. It will move along to the completed column over here, and I am also going to share this model so that the manager gets a notification to say that that's ready. We can see visually that when we highlight of the elements, and we can see that this is the only milestone, but when we've got milestone for cost estimation linked in, we can see that we are 4.4% complete, and these are the elements for those walls that have the correct property. So there you have it. That is how we would evaluate the model elements, see the color coding to represent their status, and to understand whether the model was shared for other people to use in their review. Much more advanced topics in the advanced module. We'll see you there. Remember, don't plan late, plan early with Plannerly.